Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Home.
Thank you so much for being here today. We're excited to talk about something extremely important, your daily habits, and how to describe them in English naturally and confidently.
Even small daily habits can have a huge impact on your health, mood, and even your English progress. They quietly shape your life step by step.
By the end of this session, you'll know how to talk about your daily habits in English and feel motivated to improve your life one habit at a time.
The morning really sets the tone for the whole day. How you begin influences your mood and energy.
Some people jump out of bed immediately. Others like to stay still for a few moments, enjoying the calm. Both are fine, but a healthy start can really make a difference.
Here are some simple habits you can practice. I wake up. I sit up slowly. I take a deep breath. I stretch my arms and legs.
Stretching wakes up your body, improves circulation, and signals your brain that the day has started.
I know someone who used to jump out of bed every morning and always felt stressed. After he started stretching and taking deep breaths, he felt more energized and calm within a week.
Instead of reaching for your phone, take a few seconds to look out the window and breathe in the fresh air. The small pause can change your mindset completely.
Let's practice together. I wake up early. I stretch my arms and legs. I sit up and breathe deeply. I am grateful for this new day.
Repeat these sentences 2-3 times aloud. Speaking out loud trains your English and sets a positive mindset.
After 6-8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Drinking water in the morning is one of the simplest but most powerful habits.
For example, I drink a glass of water after I wake up. I drink water to feel fresh and energized.
This simple action improves energy, mood, and digestion. Drinking water before anything else wakes up your organs and boosts metabolism.
Mini tip: add a slice of lemon or a little honey. Lemon gives vitamin C and adds freshness.
After drinking water, take a few minutes for mental preparation. Positive thoughts influence your energy for the entire day.
Practice these phrases. Today will be a good day. I am ready to learn and grow. I am calm and confident.
Before starting your day, ask yourself, what one thing can I do today that will make me proud? Breakfast fuels your brain and body. Skipping it can make you tired or less focused.
Let's practice some breakfast vocabulary. Bread, toast, eggs, fruit, cereal, oatmeal, milk, juice, coffee, tea.
Try these sentences. I eat toast for breakfast. I drink coffee in the morning. I have fruit with my breakfast.
I had a student who used to skip breakfast and felt tired by 10 a.m. After adding fruit and cereal, he noticed more energy within days.
Describe your breakfast in English each morning. For example, today I am eating eggs and toast. I am drinking orange juice. After breakfast, continue your morning routine. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I comb my hair.
A small but powerful habit is making your bed. It gives you a sense of accomplishment and creates a productive mindset.
Practice. I make my bed every morning. Making my bed helps me start the day with clarity and focus. When leaving home, simple habits matter. I put on my shoes. I take my keys. I lock the door.
For travel routines, you can say, I walk to work, I take the bus, I ride my bike.
Use travel time to practice English. Listen to podcasts, music, or repeat English phrases in your mind.
Try. I listen to English on my way to work. I learn while I walk. English is part of my day.
Starting work or study with structure is important. I write a to-do list. I check my schedule. I focus on one task at a time.
During long hours, remember to take breaks. I take a short break. I stretch my shoulders. I drink some water. I breathe slowly.
A professional I know used to work for 4 hours straight and felt stressed. After he started taking short breaks, he became more focused and energetic.
Practice. I give myself small moments to rest. Rest helps me stay strong. Small breaks improve focus and productivity.
After lunch, many people feel sleepy. Instead of forcing yourself to work, try moving your body.
I stand up. I stretch. I take a short walk after lunch. It helps me feel fresh again.
Narrate your actions in English. I am drinking water. I am reading emails. I am organizing my desk. Evening is the time to slow down. I come home. I take off my shoes. I change into comfortable clothes. I relax my mind.
Cooking is a wonderful evening activity. Some vocabulary. Chop, slice, fry, boil, stir.
Practice. I chop vegetables. I boil water for rice. I fry eggs for dinner. Narrate your cooking in English as you go. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I spend time with family or myself. I read a book or watch a show in English.
Avoid screens before bed because blue light makes your mind active. Try reading or stretching gently before sleep.
Practice. I relax my mind and body. I go to bed feeling calm and thankful. I prepare for tomorrow. Your habits come from your identity, how you see yourself. Instead of saying, I want to learn English, say, I am someone who practices English every day.
Your words shape your mind. Positive self-talk builds confidence and focus. Practice. I am improving every day. I am patient with myself. Small habits create big results.
Writing down habits helps you stay consistent. I keep a habit journal. I track my progress daily.
Even 5 minutes of English practice counts. Celebrate small wins. I make progress every day. I am proud of my achievements.
You don't need to change everything today. Start small. 1 glass of water, 1 minute of stretching, 1 English sentence, 1 short walk.
Motivational tip. Focus on progress, not perfection. 1% improvement every day leads to amazing transformation over months.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Your life is shaped by your daily habits. Choose habits that support your future and growth.
We are proud of you. Your future is forming one habit at a time. Remember, one day at a time, one habit at a time. You are capable of amazing things.
Before we go, let's remind everyone, if you enjoyed this show, please share it with a friend. Yes, learning is better when you do it with others. And leave a comment telling us what habit you're going to start. Subscribe to English Home and keep your English alive every day.